why I said yes to it. I would have died there. Like I would have had my heart fail. Never have I ever accidentally gone into the wrong bathroom. I've been to the world's scariest and the longest one. Hi guys. So today we are doing.
Never have I ever challenge.
So you know the games. I have a list of things. Now let's get into the video. Never have I ever broken a bone. Same. Even I haven't broken a bone. Touch wood all my life. I've been very careful that. Never have I ever laughed so hard I peed my pants. Absolutely. Like sometimes you know how it is. Like it goes. Especially after delivery, like your bladder control is so bad. So, of course, you haven't. You've lived only 9 years. I've lived 39 years. Never have I ever gotten gum in my hair. Literally, this has happened with Ina. She'll tell you the story time maybe in one of the videos.
Guys, it's not actually gum, it's like a type of glue type, if you guys know. But I have.
Actually, even I have when I was young, very young, like when I was in school. I'm sure it must have happened.
I got this when I was 7 or 8 years.
Never have I ever had bird poop on me. You haven't?
No, not yet.
Okay. I
Ew.
mean, of course, the
Bird.
pigeons and all, yeah, they will drop all their pooplings and all the shit. So I have had that experience.
But I am
Unfortunately,
lucky.
never have I ever been afraid of the dark. I know this answer.
I am.
Even I have. Like sometimes
I am.
she still is. Like it's a present tense. For me, it must have happened when I was younger.
Guys, but seriously, doesn't everyone?
I guess everybody does. Have I ever done an escape room?
I have.
Yeah, and even I have, because if she has, then I have to first go check if it's baby safe, she can do it or no. So,
Mom.
But I recently had, like when I took her, that was the only time I had.
Recently have. It was when Holiday Club they set up a night activity where we did the escape.
Oh, okay, so that's another one.
Mom knows about it.
Yeah. Never have I ever been to sleepaway camp.
What does that mean?
Sleepaway camp, which means like a camp at somewhere else. But they took you from school, remember?
Vichika.
Even I have.
When? I don't
Oh,
know.
I would have had when I was young, like when they also took us from school. And yeah, never have I ever accidentally gone into the wrong bathroom. Not yet. And I don't intend to. Never have I ever felt an earthquake.
Haven't.
I have in 2001 when there was an earthquake. I was in 10th grade. I have a vivid memory. Guys, if you want that story time, comment below and I will do a story time of that.
No, seriously, why you never tell me these stories?
Because I want to save it for story times. Never have I ever gone on a roller coaster. Of course. And I have been to the world's scariest and the longest one. In Hyde, no,
So?
in now I'm forgetting the name of this one theme park in London. Okay, and it has the scariest ride, and I don't know why I said yes to it. I would have died there. Like I would have had my heart fail. But I went there, and it was the scariest shit. And
Was it
I'm
fun?
never going back. No, I was just screaming and crying, and it was
Were there loops?
no, yeah, like one or two, but it had those like direct jump nahi hota hai jo.
The ones which I have gone on.
Yeah, but this one is like the longest and scariest. I don't want to recall that memory. It's
No, I'm getting scared listening to the story only.
I know. Never have I ever tripped down the stairs at school. I've been very cautious all my
Yeah.
life. Yeah, never. That's true. That's why I said I've been very. And we didn't have stairs in our schools also. Never have I ever gone surfing. We haven't? No.
Not me.
Not yet. Maybe next vacation. Never have I ever played a musical instrument. I mean, Inaya is a musician. Of course, she's a rock star. So she has.
I have piano.
Yeah, she has a piano and she's played. And I have learned a harmonium when I was
Oh.
young. Yeah. And I've played it. So, yeah,
Was it
I
fun?
have. It was very fun to learn it. Never have I ever been on a helicopter.
Have I?
No, you haven't. I I'm not sure. Oh yeah, when we went to Maldives. Yeah, I have.
Maldives? मुझे जाने का मन हो रहा है.
Yeah. So it's a tiny little chopper sort of a thing. It was amazing. Very short ride, but I have. Have I ever gotten stitches? She hasn't. I have birthed her, so of course I have had stitches. Of course. Other than pregnancy stitches, I don't have any other. Like as I said, I've been raised very cautiously, and yeah, carefully.
Okay.
Have I ever held a spider in my hand? Who does that? And she's
Does
so scared of it. So
Does it
scared.
count when there's like a big spider beside you?
No, in your hand you have to have it. Like who would?
Well, there's another story time. One time in grade 4, I didn't even notice there was a big black spider with yellow dots on it. And I was like, looked to my side and I saw that it was settling on this web, making its way to me. I'm like, I got up and I ran to sir. I told him there was a spider. Oh my god, that was one of the traumatizing. No.
Never have I ever played in a sprinkler. Of course, we'll have water. We must have done that.
मेरा escape का birthday.
Okay, I must have in London or somewhere, I'm sure. Never have I ever gotten lost in the grocery store? Where?
I went shopping and I was in a different aisle. I had no idea. ये DMart में हुआ था actually.
Okay.
I was like scrambling to find you. I'm in a different aisle. You're in a different aisle. So I'm like so scared. Where is my mom? Am I lost? Did she leave? Those all thoughts.
Yeah, I haven't, but I've gotten lost when I was young, but not in a grocery store. Now we have the last question. Never have I ever seen a double rainbow. Have.
Lucky.
Yeah. I have seen her again in London. So, but again, see, I've lived more life than you, right? So that's bound to happen. How did you like playing the game?
Fun.
Funny. It's nice, right, to know more about it. Okay, so that's about it. And if you like this video, then
Bye.
give it a big like, share it with your friends, and let us
comment
know.
down what you want to see next.
Yeah. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.